Temporary sanitation for a tiny house during septic system replacement needs to be safe, reliable, and matched to the length and complexity of the work. For short projects, consider renting a portable restroom sized appropriately for a tiny house use pattern and place it on stable ground near access points while maintaining privacy and ventilation. For projects lasting longer or when waterless options are preferred, choose a recycling toilet that uses a small amount of water or no water and separates and neutralizes waste. Follow manufacturer guidance for urine diversion, deodorizer cartridges, and electricity if required. A temporary holding tank with a pump-out plan works well when indoor plumbing must remain connected. Size the tank by estimating wastewater generation using 2 people and low-use habits. Secure it above grade if needed, and schedule professional pump-outs on a fixed cadence to avoid overfilling. Coordinate repair timing with known low occupancy periods and reduce gray water by washing dishes and laundry off-site or batching tasks. This lowers tank sizing needs and pump-out frequency. Ensure safe disposal by using licensed waste haulers and documenting receipts for any off-site transfer. Keep a written chain of custody when moving septage. Notify local authorities early to learn about permit needs, allowed temporary solutions, and any setback or placement rules so you avoid fines or work stoppage. Common mistakes include undersizing the temporary system, which leads to overflows and emergency pump-outs, so calculate expected use conservatively and add 20 to 30% capacity as a buffer. Another issue is improper venting or placement that creates odors or cross-contamination. Place vents upwind, seal connections with watertight fittings, and keep portable units away from openings to your tiny house. A third concern is neglecting legal requirements, which risks fines or delays. Contact the local health department before installation, use licensed haulers for disposal, and keep permits or written approvals on site so inspectors can verify compliance. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and temporary sanitation providers that match the scope of septic repairs for tiny houses and lets contractors showcase their services and availability. We also host an active discussion community where members share field tips, equipment leads, and timing strategies so both owners and contractors can plan safer, cleaner, temporary setups.